Have you ever wondered if your life choices could impact your genes? This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Welcome to the intriguing realm of epigenetics, the science of how our behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way our genes work. Imagine it as a hidden code, a series of switches, if you will, that have the power to turn our genes on or off without altering the DNA sequence itself. In the world of epigenetics, the star players are DNA methylation and histone modification. These are the processes that make tiny chemical changes to our genes. And here's the kicker. These changes can be passed down from one generation to the next. So in essence, the choices we make every day, from what we eat to how much we sleep, can directly influence not only our genes but those of our future generations as well. Stay with us to discover more about how the cutting edge science is shaping our lives and the world around us. So, our lifestyle choices can directly affect our genes, and not just our own, but also those of our future generation. Now, let's delve into how these tiny chemical changes affect our everyday lives. Picture this: you are what you eat. Sounds familiar? Epigenetics backs this up. The food we consume, the exercise we undertake, and even the environment we interact with can tinker with our genes. This meddling can influence our susceptibility to ailments such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. That's why these are all called as lifestyle diseases. Imagine a diet loaded with junk food. This can cause genes associated with metabolism to go haywire, making you more susceptible to obesity and diabetes. But it doesn't stop at our physical health. Let's talk about the stress and mental health. We've all had those days when stress seems to get the better of us. But did you know that persistent stress can alter your gene expression? This can lead to conditions like anxiety, depression, and it's like your body's SOS signal, a cry for a healthier, less stressful lifestyle. So you see, our lives are more entwined with our genes than we've ever realized. Our health and mental well being are more connected to our genes than we have ever imagined. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Understanding this link gives us the power to make better choices for our health and happiness. It's fascinating dance between our genes and our lives. A dance we are only just beginning to understand. It's not just our health. Epigenetics also plays role in our workplace. Our genes, influenced by epigenetic changes, can shape our personality traits. These traits, in turn, influence leadership styles and teamwork dynamics. Imagine a leader whose genes predispose them to be more empathetic, collaborative, and open minded. Such a leader can foster a work environment that promotes creativity, inclusivity, and high morale. On the flip side, a leader genetically inclined towards dominance and aggressiveness can cause cultural problems or issues. Companies can harness this understanding of epigenetics to select their leaders and build teams. It's like a genetic jigsaw puzzle where each piece fits just right to create a harmonious picture. But that's not all. Corporate responsibility and sustainability play an important role in shaping the future. Epigenetics shows that our choices today can impact our future generations. This realization emphasizes the importance of companies adopting sustainable and socially responsible practices. Businesses can use this knowledge of epigenetics to make informed decisions, create better culture and a better future. So, what's next in the world of epigenetics? Well, the future looks promising. Scientists are working tirelessly to unlock the potential of epigenetic therapies. Imagine being able to treat diseases like cancer not by attacking the cells with harsh chemicals, but by simply resetting the epigenetic markers that have gone awry. It's like giving our genes a fresh start. This, of course, is a work in progress. The field of epigenetics is like a complex puzzle, and we are still just beginning to fit the pieces together. But the potential is enormous. We are talking about a future where we can fine tune our genes, nudging them towards better health and away from disease. It's like having a dimmer switch for our DNA. But it's not just about diseases. Epigenetics can also help us understand and perhaps even enhance our mental and physical abilities. Could we tweak our genes to be more resilient to stress or improve our memory? The possibilities are mind boggling. In the end, epigenetics is more than just a scientific term. It is a key to understanding how we can shape our genetic destiny. It's a new lens through which to view our health, our abilities, and even our social structures. And it's a field that's brimming with potential and promise. Epigenetics is not just a scientific term, but a key to understanding how we can shape our genetic and life's destiny. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel this fascinating world.